Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials, your full email address, password, and any two-factor method. Once done, make sure the laptop is on a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection so authentication won't fail mid-setup. Now open the Outlook app. If it's not installed, use Microsoft Store. When Outlook prompts, choose Add Account and enter your email. This initiates automatic server discovery. You're already past the tedious prep and into the first actionable steps needed to close the connection. You'll now specify how Outlook talks to your mail server. Choose Exchange or a map for full sync. Pick POP only when necessary. When automatic setup fails, click Advanced Options and enter incoming/outgoing host names, ports, and SSL/TLS choices. Common ports include 993 for a map and 587 for SMTP. If your account uses two-factor authentication, generate and paste an app password rather than the regular password. Once entered, you're at the finish line. Verify inbox, sent, and other folders sync and send a test message to confirm outgoing mail. Make sure sync frequency and offline download settings meet your needs by opening account settings and mailbox sync settings. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Recheck your password, confirm server host names and ports, disable or adjust firewall/antivirus temporarily, and ensure you used an app password when two-factor is enabled. If issues persist, remove and re-add the account to refresh credentials and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.